What's up, everybody? I got a special food review today. Shout out to the homie Nick Howard for this inspiration. Pizza Tots, everybody. I got mozzarella, marinara, pepperoni, Parmesan sprinkled on top, and right on the bottom, right there, we got bacon jam, homemade bacon jam that I did today. I figured why not. Shout out to you, my brother. Thanks for this inspiration. Thanks for this inspirational food review that we're about ready to do. Let's see what it's all about. I'll get a little of everything. Ooh, hot. The only downside about making something different at work is that not only does everybody see me do it, and when I'm leaving, I get the, oh, can we have that when you come back in? So now I gotta make about a dozen of these when I go back in. Damn good. It's warm today, everybody. We go from triple digits right up into the cold. I'm talking at night, like 35 degrees. And then out of nowhere, we go back up to like 96. Oh, claustrophobic weather. Bacon jam, we'll try it with the bacon jam. Mm. 9.2 out of 10. Straight up, hands down, 9.2 out of 10. Oh yeah. Oops. Already halfway through. This is damn good. Yeah, go in the comment section, everybody. Let me know. I mean, at work, I can pretty much cook whatever I want. Home too. But at work, I got all the damn good ingredients. We get from Crown. We get from all kinds of really good spots. Damn good meats, damn good ingredients. So I could just give me ideas. I can make it. Fast food spots or restaurants, let me know. I'll go try them. I'll give you guys all a shout out. Actually, my girlfriend should be getting out in about 5 minutes. I'll be nice. I'll save her the last little corner I have. 9.2 out of 10. Shout out to my brother Nick Howard. Damn good recommendation. Hits the spot. Peace, love, respect, and honor. God bless and protect you all. Highly recommend you guys try it. Pizza Tots, everybody. I'll see you all soon.